Let's do laundry from scratch. This is a top load, easy to use. So you put in clothes, go. The one thing I like about the top loads is you can put your socks in there. There's no rubber seal, there's no gap. So okay, once that is done, I prefer to put soap just on top of the clothes. That's enough. You can as well put it here because this is where water comes in from. So once that is done, close the door, then we power it on. Okay, so I'll do it on normal, maybe a fuzzy. It will select water level by itself, so just power it on fuzzy and then we press start. So it's selecting water level, it's sensing the load. There we go. So it will give high, which means it will fill with more water, and then we are doing with cold water. So it will wash, rinse and spin. This is 50 minutes. I'm good with 50 minutes. So with this one you can open the door. You see it's filling with water. So let's see how it goes from here. The washing. So if you open the door, it will give you a D error, but it's now washing. So let's give it some minutes. Let's see how it will turn out. So a good thing with the top load, like now I've realized there's one cloth that should be in there. So you just force it. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Put it in there. Close. And then we resume. Simple as that. Progress now. There we go. It's draining water. So that's what next. So once that is done, it will now start spinning to turn the clothes around. Those that are on top will definitely go down. So let's wait and see. There you go, it's spinning. You can't open the door when it's spinning, so we let it finish spinning and then we see the progress. So as it spins, it's draining. There you go. The more it spins, the more it's draining. So it has to drain all the dirty water before it starts filling with the clean water. So stopping it immediately while it's spinning, it will immediately stop. If you open the door, it will immediately stop, but that one can affect the gearbox. So we advise open the door when it's not spinning. Okay. You have like a minute or so to start filling with the water now. The noise you are hearing is from the drain pump. It's trying to remove all the water. That's a humming sound from the drain pump. There you go. So before it starts filling with the water, it has not started. Let's have a look. You see, so it will do a second rinse. No, that will be the first rinse, and then a second rinse, and then it will spin, and we're good to go. So it's filling with the water. Let's see what next. So as I said, you can only open the door when it's filling with the water, so that you can add whatever you want to add, maybe soap or something, or even a softener. But when it's spinning, please don't. So that's the first rinse. It's draining water. So let's see how the clothes looks like. 20 minutes to go. So it's spinning. This is the second spin while it drains water. So done with the second spin. Now it's we are doing a second rinse. You see, no more washing, so it's rinse and then it will spin and it's filling with water. That's the condition of the clothes in there. So far so good. In time, minutes to go. So it's now draining. Time to spin. When it's draining now, it's indicating time to spin. So once it's done or almost done draining, it will automatically spin to 0, and then the clothes will come out. It will be damp. 30 minutes, 40 minutes out there, the clothes will be dry. So it's on 2, almost. That's maximum speed, about to stop, and then we check our clothes. That's 1, that's the end. And that's the end. We are done. Look at that. Super clean. Super clean. That's what a top load can do. So if you need to buy a top load, simple to use, easy to maintain, consumes less power because doesn't have most of them don't have heating elements. So yeah, guys, kindly subscribe. Bless you.